फैशन वर्ल्ड के ग्लिट्स और ग्लैमर के क्वेश्चन को रोरिंग हाई किया रिसेंटली एक फैशन इवेंट ने, जहां दिखे बी टाउन सेलेब्स सिजलिंग द शो। यहीं दिखी नेहा धूपिया, शजान पदमसी, अमृता राव, कल्की, समीरा रेड्डी, प्रतीक बब्बर, राणा दुगुबत्ती, सारा जेन and Lisa Hayden and a few more B-Town faces. जहां समीरा ने चूज किया कलर व्हाइट फॉर हर अटायर, वहीं नेहा धूपिया दिखी डोनिंग कॉपर एंड ब्लैक, और अमृता राव for the petite beauty she is chose perfect pink for her attire. Lisa Hayden looked absolutely sensuous in that white gown, and so did Sarah Jane in that light gold gown. इस इवेंट पर हमने बात की इन सभी सेलेब से। सबसे पहले आपको मिलवाते हैं अमृता राव से, जिन्होंने पहना नंदिता मेहतानी का क्रिएशन। Let's hear her out.
I'm with Nandita Mehtani and a pretty muse right now. Nandita, Amrita, welcome in Zoo.
Hi, thank you.
Amrita, tell us something about your outfit.
Very red carpet-like. I feel like I'm now on my way to Oscars. And we chose a nice, solid, confident color. It's just a day to feel confident and to showcase your best.
Other than Oscars, where else you can wear this?
The film fair, of course. Yeah.
Nandita, tell us something about your muse.
I mean,
Amrita.
you can see for yourself that she's looking stunning, I think. And I think the color looks beautiful on her. And because because of the way she looks, I chose this dress, which is very feminine. It's very, it's very beautiful, and it's very sexy at the same time. It's something that you can wear, like you were asking, you can wear it to a red carpet event, or if you just put on a pair of slippers, you could wear it to a beach wedding.
Anybody's wedding, you would like to wear it? Like she said, on a beach wedding, you can wear it.
Yeah, beach. That sounds very romantic, right? Yeah, she's giving me ideas now for the long-term future.
Amrita, like in the coming season now, the monsoons are here. What do you recommend girls to wear?
I always believe that you need to wear something more comfortable during monsoons. Maybe like a dress that's knee length, so that you don't have to bother about, getting messy and all that. Yeah, it's also the time to wear your gum boots and Okay, all the tips coming from here.
Yeah, give us some tips, like what according to you she should wear in this season?
I guess comfort is, I think, the most important, because being in a city like Bombay, it's always we tend to get flooded and and you get wet. So obviously you don't wear your best shoes for sure. Avoid that. And I guess like she said, knee length, or like maybe capri pants, or even shorts, because of, you can afford to wear that in this weather.
Are you a jewelry person per se?
Of course I am, and like she said, I definitely believe that once you're dressed, the right kind of jewelry can just change your face suddenly, just changes your look entirely. So all we girls who are fashion conscious, we believe in accessorizing our best costumes.
Which is the favorite piece of jewelry that you own?
I'm fond of pendants, I'm fond of earrings. Earrings, like I said, they really are that grand finale to your attire. And right now I'm wearing some really stunning ones, and yeah.
Well, Amrita जितनी pretty लग रही थी, उतनी ही unconventionally attractive लगी नेहा धूपिया भी, who we caught up with for a candid chat.
There are showstoppers, and then there is an absolute diva, and I'm with one right now. Neha Dhupia, welcome to Zoo.
Thank you very much. I'm here in a Pankaj and Nidhi creation, and why I like saying creation is because it's really one. It's edgy, it's cool, it's funky, it's fashionable, and more importantly, I feel great in it.
Perhaps defines you, because you're also like that, blend of traditional and a bit of edginess.
Oh, well, yeah, I hope so. You can. It's kind of reflective in my choice of clothes or my choice of movies, and I just feel that it's not so much that as much as it's just about pushing the envelope, about being able to take the risks. और हमेशा एक actor होने के नाते अगर आप अब नहीं करेंगे तो कब करेंगे? और मेरे दिमाग में बस और ज़हन में यही रहता है कि I want to break out of the ordinary, and and then that's the only way. Either you become extraordinary after that, or you just are different, and both ways it's great.
And I'm loving your hairdo, which which brings me, like, you're doing this movie called Rush.
Yes.
in that you have gone for a pixie cut. So like you actually cut your hair because right now there's so much of them.
It was just so short and now I've all taken it all up. As far as everything else is concerned about Rush and how much I cut my hair, it's a secret. We'll talk about it another time.
Usually when actresses cut their hair, audience don't like it, whether it's India or Hollywood.
Well, yeah, I mean, the intention is to just look the part. I hope they like what I've done in the film. I've actually just finished doing my post on it and finished dubbing for the film just this morning. And I'm very excited about it.
Also, we have heard that finally Neha Dhupia is doing an item number.
Yes. Jumping on the bandwagon. Today, I think the item number has become as big as a movie has. It's a lot of pressure. Really gorgeous women in Bollywood have, or in Indian cinema, have done item songs. I'm going to be compared to the best, which is my biggest fear. But at the same time, it's my only challenge and I'd like to do a really good job at it.
Coming out of our gorgeous ladies, baat करें यहाँ पर आए men की. So, we completely love Rana's look. He definitely managed to sweep his female fan following off their feet. वहीं Prateek also impressed us with his traditional look. In all, ये event raha full of glamour and glitz, where all the celebs present rocked the show. For Kirti Tarang, Zoom, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Sonu Sood and subscribe to Zoom TV's channel on YouTube.